Have you ever wanted something but had to talk it out to make it fair for everyone? That's called negotiate. Let's learn how it works. Negotiate. Can you say it with me? Negotiate. Let's spell it together. Ready? N-E-G-O-T-I-A-T-E. That spells negotiate. Negotiate means to discuss something in order to reach an agreement. It's how people find solutions that make everyone happy. Here are some words that mean the same as negotiate. Say them with me. Discuss, like talking things over to find what works best. Bargain, like trading or making a deal that both sides agree on. Mediate, like helping two sides come together peacefully. Arrange, like planning something that works for everyone. Resolve, like finding an answer to a problem through understanding. Each of these words reminds us that negotiation is about balance and teamwork. Now let's look at the opposites of negotiate. Refuse, like saying no without trying to find a middle ground. Ignore, like pretending the problem doesn't exist. Decline, like turning down a chance to talk things out. Disagree, like arguing instead of listening. Yield, like giving up too easily without sharing your side. Those can happen when people stop communicating or forget to be fair. Here's a great example. Sofia negotiated with her group about who would paint, cut, and glue their project. Let's review. Negotiate means to discuss something in order to reach an agreement. Synonyms include discuss, bargain, mediate, arrange, resolve. Antonyms include refuse, ignore, decline, disagree, yield. Negotiation is about fairness. Finding balance helps everyone win together. Your challenge: negotiate by finding a fair solution with a sibling or friend today. When you listen, share, and find balance, everyone wins. See you next time for another Word Up with Sofia.